Having trouble finding flag football drills for kids? Athlete Era makes it easy. Hello, I'm Tobias, and today I'm going to show you 3 simple drills that work on ball carrying, as well as some key things to look out for. Let's get into it. Now, the first drill we got is called Handoff Relay. This is a great drill to get players warmed up and running with the ball at the start of practice. Start by dividing players into 2 groups and have them line up 10 to 15 meters apart. Have one side start with the ball. The objective of the game is to run back and forth, handing the ball off. When the coach yells go, players will race to the line across from them to hand the ball off. The race is done once everyone in line has received the handoff. Coaches, remind your players to secure that ball and keep the side of the football against the chest. Now, the second drill we have is called Through the Gaps. This is a great one to get players changing direction and avoiding others. Start by setting up a large grid and use cones to create multiple gates in different places inside the playing area. Have everyone grab a ball and find an open space. The objective of the drill is to run through as many gates as possible in a set amount of time. When the coach yells go, players will juke their way around other players to try and run through the gates with the ball. Coaches, encourage players to use their creativity to juke around others and accelerate through the gaps. Now, the last drill is called 2v2 Snap Relay. This is a fun one that teaches players to accelerate after they receive the ball. Start by making 2 lines of 5 cones spread 5 meters apart from each other. Have players get in pairs and grab a ball. Have one player start with the ball at the first cone and one player start without the ball. The objective of the game is to snap the ball faster than the other team. When the coach says go, players at the first cone will snap the ball to the player at the second cone. That player then runs around the player they snap the ball to and gets ready to receive the next snap. The first team to reach the last cone wins. Now, coaches, remind players who are snapping the ball to take their time and make sure the ball is getting into the hands of their partner. Now remember, these players are learning, which means at times they may need a little bit of help. Here are a few key things to look out for. First off, remind players to keep one hand on the nose of the football at all times. Second, have players press the ball firmly against their body. And lastly, when transitioning the ball to the opposite arm, bring the ball to the opposite side of the body and grab the ball with the free hand. Now that you're all ready to go with some new drill ideas for next practice, as well as some helpful coaching tips for your players, be sure to check out the free Athlete Era mobile app. And for more great videos just like this one, subscribe to Coach's Crash Course.